Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sushmita and in today's video I'm just gonna create this makeup look right here which you can see for the Diwali, and it's the quick one and easiest one. So yes, make sure you watch this video till the end. Without any further ado, let's just begin the video. Okay, so let's start for the Diwali makeup, and for now I'm just going to use a Wet n Wild photo focus primer. एंड आप लोग कोई भी प्राइमर यूज कर सकते हो. आई नो लाइक मैंने काफी टाइम से यूट्यूब पे कोई भी एक सिट डाउन वीडियोस नहीं डाला था. जस्ट आई वाज पोस्टिंग सम शॉर्ट्स, सो आई थॉट क्यों ना दिवाली मेकअप करें. एंड सो यस, एंड टुडेज मेकअप मैं बहुत ज्यादा लाइट रखने वाली हूँ. सिंस दिवाली हम लोग को बहुत सारे काम भी होते हैं उस दिन. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट कि वी आर ओनली गोना गेट ड्रेस्ड अप एंड क्लिक पिक्चर्स. ऑब्वियसली पूजा होती है एंड घर में बहुत सारे काम भी होते हैं. सो इट्स लाइक हम मेकअप तो करना चाहते हैं बट क्विक वन एंड सॉफ्ट ग्लैम. उतना ज़्यादा कलरफुल या बहुत ज़्यादा हैवी ग्लैम आई डोंट थिंक तो ज़्यादा लोग प्रेफर करेंगे. सो आई विल मेनली गो विद दैट सॉर्ट ऑफ लाइक लुक जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा ईजिली हो जाए, आपका ज़्यादा टाइम भी ना लगे एंड आप अपना बाकी काम भी कर पाओ एंड दिवाली भी इंजॉय कर पाओ. So now I'm just going to use Maybelline Fit Me foundation and my shade is 128 Warm Nude, and you can use any foundation even if you don't want to use any BB cream, and you are done. Basically use whatever you have with you right now. So now I'm just going to use Maybelline Fit Me concealer and my shade is light 10. Okay, so we're gonna pick this shade. Pigmented. Okay, so बहुत ज़्यादा dark हो गया है. So I'm just going to pick this kind of brown shade. Just to like थोड़ा सा हम लोग इसको कलर को minimize कर सकते हैं. Yes, and make it the color we want. Okay, done. And now I'm just going to use this shimmer shade and that's it. हमारा eye look complete हो जाएगा. And it's gonna be that quick. And shimmer को I guess like हाथ फिंगर से लगाना ज़्यादा बेटर होता है. वो ज़्यादा अच्छे से निकल के भी आता है, ब्रश से उतना अच्छे से नहीं आता है. So I prefer to use my fingers to apply this shimmer. Okay, so now I'm just going to use Myglamm kajal. Just on the half of my lower lines. Okay, so just done with the eye makeup. मैंने just eyeliner लगाया and lower lash पे काजल. And if you don't like, you can literally skip that point. And okay, so for blush, I'm just gonna use my favorite lipstick as a blush. And now I just added these jhumkas and this ring which exactly matches my dress. And these bangles, and I guess our perfect Diwali look is ready. And I just keep this hand like this only because I'm just gonna wear the watch in my this hand. So I just wore the bangles in this one, and you can see this is the perfect Diwali look you can opt for, you guys. And this was the so quick, so I tried to use less products and this was the quickest look you can easily do on the Diwali, and yet you're gonna look so elegant, simple and glam, and you're gonna enjoy your Diwali and still you're gonna do your works also because obviously it's Diwali and you gotta do some work on the Diwali day. So definitely, and see, let me just flaunt this look and my dress and my ring and my nail paint. Everything goes together so well. I'm so happy with this look, you guys. Look. put my hairs back, and this is how it gonna look. And you can definitely wear something over here on your neck, since I don't have anything to wear, so I'm skipping that. Obviously if I'll wear something here, it's gonna add some more elegant and just gonna take your look from here to there. That's it for today's guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and you're gonna find this video helpful. And if you create this kind of makeup look on your Diwali, do tag me on Instagram and post your picture. I would love to see them. And that's it guys. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yes, I'm gonna do more these kind of videos and some fun one also. So yes, I'll see you guys on Saturday. Till then, bye bye and happy Diwali in advance.